Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Craft-ideaz. For more interesting video, please click on the red subscribe button and the bell icon to get the notifications. Today's video is quite interesting because today I'm gonna sharing with you how to make the base of mini explosion box by using A4 sheet, and this is the super easiest method guys. I hope definitely you will like it, so stay tuned and enjoy the video. All the measurement I will mention on the screen, so just follow it. And here I am using a thick cardstock paper which I have bought from Instagram store, and already I have shared this video, so if you still did not watch it, go and watch. I will give the link in my description box, just check it out. Not only Instagram store, you will get it from Amazon also. If you don't have big size of paper, if you have only A4 size paper, you can easily make this kind of explosion box for birthday or for any occasions, and this is super easy guys. Just follow the steps how I am doing here. It's so much easy and definitely you can make it. Don't cut all the boxes, just cut that lines which I am showing here. I am using here scoring tool for proper folding, but if you don't have, don't worry, you can fold it by scale also. Actually for thick paper, scoring tool is important because it helps to fold properly. Look how much easily it is folding. And you will get this kind of scoring tool from Amazon, Itsy Bitsy, Crafts Corner or Instagram store also. Now just apply the glue on the middle portion. And that's it, the box is ready guys. Okay, so it's time to make the lid, and the measurement I will mention on the screen, so just follow it. And if you guys are not following me on Instagram, please follow me. The link will be in description box, just check it out. Okay, now let it dry properly. So yeah, the lid is ready. Now I will check it is fitting perfectly or not. And yeah, it is fitted perfectly. Now you can attach some photos, or you can make some cards, or you can add some chocolates also, and it will be best gift for any type of occasions, guys. And let me know how much you have liked this video, and for more videos please subscribe to my channel.